How many years have you been in this industry for, right?
Nearly 40 years now.
How many times in that 40 years do you reckon you've worked a double shift or through the night in your younger days to try and help a customer out?
More than half of my career.
See, he's smiling, so that means he likes the challenge, he likes the pressure. How many years have you been programming?
Nearly 35 years now. Those days we had the computers, but the software were not so advanced.
How has technology changed?
As the technology changed, we use Mastercam.
Somebody gives you a drawing, you then have to redraw that to a 3D model to program the machine.
Yeah.
Right.
Some of the critical jobs we program it and do the 3D modeling. If not a straightforward programming, we use 2D programs. Very quick and easier to do that. Only the 3D programs, we do the modeling. For the modules, we do the programming.
Basically another set of skills that you have to learn. A job like this, if this was 35 years ago, how long would it take to program?
To be very honest with you, pretty good those days.
If you did it manually, like on this machine, like an old Bridgeport, how long would that take?
It will take times 2.5, 3 times.
2 to 3 times.
Because it's all manually.
So another point we wanted to bring up then is just because it's one-off, a lot of people think that seen only for production jobs, high volume, large quantities. It's an example. In half an hour, he can do the job on a CNC, where doing it on a manual machine would take at least twice that long. What does it mean for us? We increase our throughput. What it means for the customer, they get the job quicker and cheaper.